Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the language that Windows 10 is displayed in. So, in order to do this, we are guessing you are starting from English, that's the most common one. We go to the search bar and search for language. And we go to language settings. Ta-da! And let me show you another way in case you are not starting with English, maybe then it's a bit trickier. But the menus should be in the same position. So you go right here in the corner on the notifications, click on it, make sure you are expanded, go to all settings, the icon should be identical, that cog or what it's in there, and right in the middle you should have something like time and language, depending on what language you are starting from. Probably it will be called something else. And we are here and we go to language. And we are right where we started by searching. Anyway, so two ways to reach the same place. And in my case, I want to add Romanian. We go to add a language. Make sure you are connected to internet. You cannot do this in another way. Romanian, I'm searching Romanian, Romania. Click on it. Here it's telling us what it can do. So it also has display language. There are some languages that do not have display language. In that case, Windows cannot show you its text in that particular language, but Romanian has it right there. This language, for example, has absolutely nothing, so not sure what you could do with a language in that situation. Anyway, so click next, and here we need to check that box to set my Windows display language. If we do not check that box, it will download it, install it, but it will not change the language that Windows shows all its menus in. And we click on install at this point, and as you can see, it is pending to be installed. So we'll be back to you in a few moments when this thing is finished installing. As things are getting installed, you will see the icons coming up in here. We still don't have the one that changes the language in which Windows displays everything. That hasn't appeared yet, and this thing is still working. And now I think it's downloading the part that will actually change our language. And I will let this thing film in high speed. Maybe you can actually catch the change if it happens without needing to restart the laptop. That I'm not sure. Yeah, we need to sign out only. Good enough for me. So no high speed was required, signed in, we don't have a password. And in theory, after we do this, we should actually have Romanian, I think. Let me see. Yep. Or what? Okay, weirdly enough, part of it is translated, so this is Romanian here, but the start menu isn't translated yet. This part is translated. So it might actually need a restart to fully translate, but yeah, it's starting to do the right thing. Let me see if I can search for language. Yes, it seems it still finds things in English, at least for the moment. Let's see if we come here. Yeah, partly it's still English. Okay, what I still want to do at this point, right click, or actually normally click on any of this, but I need to click on English and remove it. So only Romanian remains, and in options For the keyboard, I want to add a keyboard layout because I don't have a Romanian keyboard layout. I want to add the United Kingdom layout. If I could actually see it, I think I passed it. Hey, wait a second. Where are you? US only. This is a bit weird. Okay, why can I not find that layout? This is a bit annoying. Yeah, let me search for United Kingdom layout. Okay, unable to find United Kingdom, and it's not Windows, it's me. I was too quick, I think, to remove English language. So what I need to do at this point, English United, sorry about that, and reinstall it without setting as Windows language. So then hopefully we should get the keyboard layout to choose it in here, because at the moment we don't have it for sure. Where is it? As you can see, that's the only thing which isn't good. So let's wait for that to reinstall itself. And I think it already did. Let's see, does it have it? Okay, no. I'm an idiot. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I didn't realize that. I was searching for the wrong term actually, because we actually have it in another place, as Romanian would say it, Marea Britanie, Great Britain. So yep, that was my bad. Eliminate Romanian. Now we had the correct language, and it was probably here already, so I didn't need to reinstall this one. And for this one, again, eliminate, and let's check that what needed to remain remained, and it did. So we have UK keyboard layout, as this laptop has, with Romanian language. And let's give this thing a restart to make sure even this, for example, change. Be back when it restarts. And we have restarted, so let's see. And yes, everything changed. And let's see if I can still search for language. Yes, it seems language settings are still found even if we are on another language. So English still works even if you have changed, still works for searching terms from Windows settings even if you change the language. So that is quite okay. And we have changed it. This is it. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And yeah, this thing cannot be changed because it doesn't have speech recognition for Romanian. So this will remain in English, this part. But everything else is changed. So yeah, there's that. Bye.